So today I made some spaghetti with a Mexican squash. So first, of course, I boiled the water, and today I'm using just regular pasta noodles and some red lentil noodles from my mom. I'm gonna use ground turkey, trying to make healthier choices, and I've seasoned it with the kindred seasonings, Italian blend, and the blend, which is just garlic, salt, and pepper. So here I'm just rinsing the zucchinis, and I'm gonna put butter. So next I'm just cooking the ground turkey. You can have the noodles boiling on the side, and then while the ground turkey is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the squash. I like to cut it in thin slices, and then I do it in 4 quarters. And so I did it with both the zucchinis, of course. Checking the noodles here that they're cooking. I've broken them in half so they can fit in the pot evenly, and I added some salt. And I did the same thing with the red lentil pasta. And now I'm seasoning it, and I accidentally opened the wrong side, so I only season one side. And then I'm adding the blend seasoning and just stirring it, making sure it's evenly distributed. And now I'm gonna add the zucchini squash, or the Mexican zucchinis. Sorry, I don't know what they call those. But yeah, so I'm going to add them in there and just mix them up. And I like them a little bit crunchy, so I don't really cook it too much. So once I feel that they're cooking enough, I do add sauce. But here I'm adding butter into the noodles so it doesn't stick together. I've already drained them. Just mix it in there well. So that was the red lentil pasta with some regular spaghetti. Lastly, I add the marinara sauce once I feel that the zucchini is cooked for my liking. And I'm just going to let this simmer a little bit until it's lightly boiling. And once it's done, I mixed everything together and the spaghetti is ready to eat. Enjoy!